February 2007. Mr. Speaker, sir, I thank you very much for the opportunity given to me to say a few words on the discussion on the demands for grants for Transport Ministry. At the outset, I would like to say that the general budget of which those demands for grants are part and parcel is not received well either by the travelling public or by the vehicle owners because of the rise in fares and hike in per seat tax per annum. The members of this house are well aware that the budget is also going to increase the prices of essential commodities further, and it will have an adverse effect on our economy as a whole. In my opinion, the people of my state are not going to get any relief. I would like to point out that petrol and diesel are the important essential commodities for running buses. I can say from my personal knowledge that the recent hike in prices of petrol and diesel affected often has a bad impact on the life of the poor people and the middle class people, even if we leave alone the very wealthy section. On this occasion, I would like to record my appreciation of the steps taken by the ministry for sharing a portion of this burden. The Honorable Minister has announced that steps are being taken to explore the possibility of running buses on new routes connecting rural villages with nearby towns. He has also mentioned about the study on running mini buses wherever it is not possible to run regular buses. But I am surprised to note that no provision has been made in the budget for this exercise. Where will the money be sent is the question I want to ask. I would request the Honorable Minister to explain about this in his reply to the debate. Further, I would like to make a point. While making survey for running buses on new routes, the formula of cost to benefit ratio should not be followed strictly. Otherwise, some remote areas which need bus services to connect with the other parts of the state will not get their needs fulfilled. Running buses in such areas will also help bring food articles, vegetables, fruits, and also other important medicinal herbs to other parts of the state. So, to create equal opportunity for all and to bring uniform economic development for the people living in different parts of the state, insistence on cost of benefit ration should be done away with. Then I would like to mention here another important point. It has been found that government transport buses are often the cause for serious accidents. The administration should try to find out the reasons for such occurrences, and strict action should be taken against the persons found guilty. The compensation to the victims is also not being distributed by the transport department quickly, even after the concerned authorities pass orders for consumption. The department takes years to pay it to the victims or to their heirs. This is a very sorry state of affairs which should be looked into by the Honorable Minister with great attention. Sir, I take this opportunity to say a word about bonus. I am told that bonus has been reduced during the past few years despite increase in the revenue of the transport corporation. The government should come forward to increase the percentage of bonus to be declared to the transport workers. Another very important point I wish to mention here is that bonus should be paid to the officers from this year. Thank you. Letter from Raghavan and Company Limited, Town Call Road, Madurai, to Messrs. Srinivasan and Sons, Greenways Road, Adayar, Chennai. Dear sirs, we are in receipt of your order dated the 4th February for the supply of 200 water tanks with a capacity of 300 liters each. We express our happiness to accept the same. We think it is proper to inform you at this juncture one important problem faced by us, which may delay the supply of the articles ordered by you. We had some labor problem during this week. We hope it will be sorted out soon. Hence, if there is some delay in the execution of your order, kindly bear with us. We assure you that we are taking all possible steps to send your consignment in time. With reference to your enquiry about the latest price list and catalog of our new products, we are glad to enclose the same for your kind perusal. We are fully confident that you will find our products the most favorable both in terms of quality and price. We would also like to inform you that 15% special discount is allowed on purchases of select items mentioned in the premium segment of our catalog, provided the payments are made promptly. The government have recently imposed additional tax of 0.5% on our products. Kindly intimate if you require any further information from us. Yours faithfully.